This video is getting in detail on how to install subwoofer and amp while keeping the factory head unit. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's other videos out there, but I didn't find any that got into details and specifically which wires to tap into. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see that. You see those splice connectors right there? I have them connected into the wires that are going from the front speakers, right? I got my high-low converter box right there, the little gray box. And then I have those wires that are blue and brown, blue and black. And then I have another set right there that are blue and white and blue and brown again, right? So I spliced those together. Yeah, these little splice connectors you can get any store, any hardware store. I got mine at Home Depot. Running the wires is pretty much like straightforward. You just need to know which wires to want to, right? I got my RCAs, of course, ran to the high-low converter, and then I got my power going to the bottom because you know BMWs remove the bottom, the X5, the batteries up under here, up under the storage compartment. The ground, I mean, normally you could just tap into any ground. I found a ground that was in the storage compartment and tapped it into that through my connectors, soldered it or whatever, so it wouldn't come apart. That's pretty much it. And I just ran the wires through there. It's a little messy right now. I'm gonna eventually clean it up.